Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating journey to one of the most revered and significant sites in the world, Masjid Al-Aqsa. Nestled in the heart of Jerusalem, this mosque is not just a place of worship. It embodies a rich tapestry of faith, resilience, and history. So, let's delve into the profound importance of Masjid Al-Aqsa and discover what makes it so special. Masjid Al-Aqsa is often regarded as the third holiest site in Islam, following the Kaaba in Mecca and the Prophet's mosque in Medina. The reverence for this mosque is deeply rooted in Islamic tradition and history, making it a focal point for millions of believers. But what exactly gives it this elevated status? To truly appreciate its significance, we must look at the intricate layers of meaning that surround it. The mosque is part of the Al-Haram Ash-Sharif, or the Noble Sanctuary, which also includes the stunning Dome of the Rock. This iconic structure, with its golden dome glistening in the sunlight, is believed to be the very spot from which the Prophet Muhammad ascended to the heavens during the miraculous night journey known as Isra and Miraj. This event is pivotal in Islamic belief, marking not only an extraordinary journey but also the establishment of the 5 daily prayers, which are a cornerstone of Muslim practice. But Masjid Al-Aqsa is not significant solely within the context of Islam. For centuries, it has served as a place of pilgrimage and prayer for Jews and Christians as well. For Jewish people, this site is revered as the location of the ancient Temple of Solomon, making it a profound symbol of their faith and heritage. In Christianity, it stands as a significant landmark, intertwined with the life of Jesus and early Christian history. This shared reverence illustrates a complex historical and spiritual narrative that transcends religious boundaries, reminding us that Masjid Al-Aqsa is a bridge connecting diverse faiths. As we explore its historical significance, we find that Masjid Al-Aqsa has witnessed countless events that have shaped the region's religious and political landscape. Originally constructed in the early 7th century after the Muslim conquest of Jerusalem, the mosque has undergone various renovations and expansions over the centuries. Each alteration tells a story, contributing to its rich heritage. Despite facing invasions, conquests, and even destruction, it has always emerged anew, symbolizing the resilience and enduring faith of its worshippers. Imagine standing in the expansive courtyard of Al-Aqsa, surrounded by the sound of soft prayers and the gentle rustle of leaves. The mosque itself is a masterpiece of architecture, adorned with intricate mosaics and stunning calligraphy. The design reflects a beautiful blend of Islamic, Byzantine, and Roman styles. Each marble column tells a story, and the serene atmosphere invites reflection and connection to something greater than oneself. One cannot ignore the symbolism inherent in the Dome of the Rock, with its golden hue shimmering under the bright sun. The structure is not only an architectural wonder but also a spiritual beacon. Visitors often describe the feeling of peace that envelops them as they step into the sacred space, a moment of unity and tranquility amidst the chaos of the world. Yet, in recent years, Masjid Al-Aqsa has also become a focal point of political tension and conflict. Its status is a sensitive issue in the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, transforming it from a mere religious site into a powerful symbol of national identity and resistance. The ongoing struggles faced by the Palestinian people have made the preservation of this mosque even more critical, as it embodies their heritage and faith in the face of adversity. This complex situation underscores the need for dialogue and understanding, emphasizing that Masjid Al-Aqsa is not just a physical structure, but a symbol of hope and resilience. As we reflect on the significance of Masjid Al-Aqsa, it's essential to understand that it represents the faith, history, and aspirations of millions. It stands as a testament to the diverse narratives that converge in this sacred space, inviting people from all walks of life to engage with its rich history. Beyond its physical presence, Masjid Al-Aqsa embodies a spirit of unity and peace. It serves as a reminder of the shared values that bind humanity together, encouraging dialogue, respect, and understanding among different cultures and faiths. As we navigate our modern world, the mosque's message of hope and resilience resonates more than ever. In conclusion, Masjid Al-Aqsa is not merely a historical monument. It is a living testament to the enduring spirit of faith, resilience, and unity. It invites us all to reflect on our shared humanity and the importance of preserving our cultural and spiritual heritage. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the significance of Masjid Al-Aqsa. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more captivating content.